How to download the Shopify theme from Envato. I'm going to show you how you can easily download the Shopify theme from Envato. First, you need to visit the Envato website on your web browser. Now, go through all the tabs to learn about its features and services. It offers website themes and templates for platforms like WordPress, Shopify, and HTML. Next, search for Envato Market in your browser. Then click the Envato Market WordPress plugin option. You will see the instructions on how you can install plugins via WordPress dashboard. On the Envato website, search for Shopify theme and all the results will be shown. After that, select the theme to preview. You can get unlimited downloads for $16.5 per month. Now, get more wallpaper downloads by selecting the option and paying for it. You can download the theme and click the download icon. Then, change your Shopify theme to the new theme you selected.